Today, we're learning how to add the Jittle Effect, a quick shaking animation that works perfectly at the beginning of your video to grab attention. First, open your project and tap on the video clip in your timeline. From the bottom toolbar, go to Effects. Now, scroll over to the Beats section. Here you'll see 5 different Jittle animations. Each one has its own unique shake style. Some are subtle and some are more intense. Just tap on the one that matches the vibe of your project. Once applied, you'll see the jittle effect appear on your timeline. To control how long it plays, simply drag the yellow handles on either side. You can keep it short for a punchy opener or stretch it out for a longer, dramatic shake. Preview your video to check how it looks, make small adjustments if needed, and that's it. You've added the jittle effect in VN Video Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy VN editing tips.